Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a duet video on TikTok. One of TikTok's biggest feature is creating duets. Creating duets gives you ability to record your own video alongside with someone else's. You can use it to react to someone, to create comedic dialogues with your friends, or to show it to different perspective of the same event. You can even do it with yourself. To create duet on TikTok, simply go to your TikTok app list and tap on TikTok. Now, as soon as you reach to the home page, find the video you want to do it with and open the share menu. That is, tap on the share button. If the person has disabled the duet options, then as you can see, there is no duet option here. So basically, to duet with a person, the person whose video you want to make a duet with has to enable the duet option on their video before posting. So let's move on to another video out here. Let me choose this one. Tap on the share button, and as you can see that the duet option appears again. Simply tap on duet and tap on the circle, the red one, to record your video. Release it to stop. If you are done, tap on the tick mark. That is basically how you record your video. As you can see that your video is playing alongside to someone else's. To add effects, simply tap on effects and choose between the menu. Keep pressing the effect icon and apply the effect. After you're done, tap on the save button and you can choose various options here under the effects as well. Type in text if you like by tapping on text and enter anything you like and change the font style your fonts, color them by choosing the colors, type in whatever you want to type, apply stickers to them by tapping on stickers, just stylize your video and simply tap on the next button after you are done. Describe your video and then after you are done, simply tap on post to post the video. That is how you can create a duet video and post them on your TikTok. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back again with another video. Thank you for watching.